Welcome to Kayley's Kitchen. Today we are going to be doing the edible slime challenge. At the end, we'll be feeding it to my dad and seeing which one tastes better. All I need is cornstarch, condensed milk,
food coloring, Kool-Aid, or vanilla extract. In a pot, combine 1 can of condensed milk
and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir over low heat until it thickens. This one is my batch, and I'm doing lemon. When it starts to thicken, turn off the heat.
I'm making fruit punch.
Once your slime has thickened,
Put it in the fridge to cool.
close your eyes, Dad, and open your mouth.
Now it's my turn.
So today we learned
Just because it's edible
Does not mean it's delicious.
not delicious.